Hey, what's happening, everybody? Joel here, just hanging out on my bed on a Tuesday evening, post-dinner, just tidying up some dishes. Kids are downstairs watching Coco. Thank you, Disney. To the rescue. I had a solution. Just washing a pan. Pow! Stress relief. We're all stressed out. I'm stressed about work. I'm stressed about other stuff. You're stressed out. Everyone's so stressed out. You meet a neighbor in the alley. You say, hey, how's it going? Stress. Oh, but, like I said, I got a solution, not a problem. How can I find stress relief aside from the standard same old fitness and blah, blah, blah? I got an idea. It's a little bit unorthodox, and I'm a little bit embarrassed to try it, but what better way to try it than in front of everyone? Don't do that laugh again. I really hope I don't post this, but I'm probably going to. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, my stress relief, the one and only Stuart. Hey, Stuart! How's it going, man? That's right. I prefer not to put my hand in his mouth because, well, I'll show you why. Just give me a sec. Sorry, Stuart. I hate to embarrass you, but you're an idiot. Look at that thing. Yeah. Let's just see. That's as good as it gets right there. You got a little slack jaw, my friend. You had a little trans-ischemic once upon a time, and now you're doing that. So I don't like to do that. Plus, I don't talk to... Well, I talk to Stuart, but I don't like when he talks back to me. I got kids for that, right? I got a kid boy for that! So, sorry, Stuart, you like that one, though. Anyway, I just put my hand on his arms. Plus, look at him go when he does it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stuart, you been practicing in the closet or what, man? Anyway, I think this is going to help. I think, like, my wife's at work. I need a confidant. I need someone I can just say anything or do anything I want to. What better thing than a puppet, right? So, anyway, Stuart, longtime puppet of our family. I don't know when we got him, but he is obviously, as you see, a rat. Sorry, a rodent. Okay. Yeah, you can just do whatever you want and just kind of talk to him. In fact, sometimes you can pretend he's talking to you. Let's try it out. Stuart, tell me something. Tell me your deepest... Stop it. You're making me nervous. Get away from me a little bit. Back up a little bit. Thank you. Tell me your deepest, darkest secret. Okay? Just whisper it to me. Don't have to tell all those people. I'll tell you. Yep. Okay. What are you doing? Enunciate. What are you doing with your tongue, Stuart? Stop it! I bring you on TV for your big show off, for your big reveal, and you're just licking my ear. Ew. Ugh. Anyway, aside from a gaffe every once in a while, he's a lot of fun. He's a good guy, and I think he's going to be the solution to all my stress problems. Sorry, he bit me. You couldn't see it. He definitely bit my hand. I really hope I don't post this. I think I'm going to. I'm going to do it. I'm posting it right now. Oh my gosh, why am I doing that? Stop. Somebody stop me.